Hi, my name is Hanil Kumar Bhesania, and hope you are doing well. We are here to presentation for assessment. There is a one slide of the title slide, use of social media for collaboration and marketing management and human resources productivity. Welcome to our presentation for the case study entitled Use of Social Media for Business Operation, a case study on ASOS. This research started by exploring how to ASOS, one of the top online fashion retailers worldwide on social media and technologies. The better understand of how social media has influenced and business operations, especially for the retail. First, we thought the adoption of the technology and its implementation strategy and the outcomes of the next 20 minutes. Also, we will be the discussing recommendations that we help and ASOS into continued growth and innovation. And now we are going to on second slide. There is an executive summary overview of the case study on ASOS. This slide gives a quick summary of our case study called ASOS. In this, we will try to elaborate on the how this company recognized and the problem of collaboration, marketing, and the HR management with this incorporation of the such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and Slack into their favor. They will demonstrate on how they turned and productivity media into their favor. And this way, the summary provided here to generally the key element of the research we will discuss more in depth in the following slides. And now we are going on third slide. The third slide is about introduction. A company overview ASOS leading to UK fashion retailer. ASOS is like coming into being in next 2 or 3 years. Its commitment to digital innovation and made it adapt to the social media and the business, enhancing internal collaboration and improving marketing strategies, streamlining and human resources functions. The ASOS one of the most powerful value and the able to adopt the way within which company could be the able to use social media and maintain comprehensive advantages within the retail sector. The successful global is the ASOS, how it is huge and advanced. And now we are moving into the next slide. It's a literature review. There is a two slide of literature review, the part one and the part two. Now we are discussing about part one. There is a 3 point social media and marketing, collaboration benefits, and the study on the social media impact. The first of all, we are discussing about the literature review in this section. We review relevant literature on the role of the social media in the marketing and the collaboration. The brands to define it themselves, companies like ASOS has been able to enhance customer satisfaction through billets and the interaction tolerated needs of each individual customer. There is a social media enables internal collaboration and the team members to connect with each other. These findings underline the strategy as a way to analyze in further detail and with help of ASOS case study. The real-time information sharing is companies like ASOS have been able to enhance customer satisfaction through the their ability. And now we are moving into the next slide. This is the part two of the literature review, and there is also three key findings and impact productivity, social media and human resources. The second part is told about the as the review of the literature produce. It seems that social media is also a human resource by doing the LinkedIn can help in a business retail and the everything we in daily life of the one of the employer of the choice. And furthermore will social media and the like a LinkedIn profile and employee management would be dependent to enhance the retention rate. The use of collaboration tool like Slacks and Microsoft Teams for productivity, example of Zoom meetings and the another video recording meetings. The following of the HR operations and strengthen the culture and the one of the organization, enhance collaboration of the teams and raise productivity, all the relate to the ASOS. And now we are hand over to my another partner, Khushi Bhimani, and now he will be on the screen.
Hello, my name is Khushi Bimani and my student ID is AZZ8342. I will give information about the problem statement that Hanil already told the problem about the industry. Before tapping into social media for its benefits, ASOS had to go through a couple of crucial challenges that obstructed that improvement of its business. Considering customers of diverse culture and situated in different parts of the world, traditional ways of reaching them turn out to be pretty challenging. Last but not least, communication tools intentionally caused slim team collaboration and decision making. Its marketing companies were not effective in reaching the younger demography and fashion oriented customers. These issues brought into the need for the digital transformation through the use of social media technologies to help cross these barriers. Now, I will give information about the next slide, that is the challenges faced by ASOS. Before embracing social media fully, ASOS had to battle several important challenges. First was that customer engagement was at a cost due to traditional marketing methods. This could not offer personalized experiences and brand loyalty. Their marketing companies were expensive and could not provide real time feedback and reach their target audiences effectively. On the inside, there were collaboration issues, that is, delays in communication across globally disparate terms and not were effective project management systems. Uh, and now I will give information about the next slide, that is the internal collaboration issues. Collaborations were very high internally in ASOS, which hampered overall productivity. Communication channels remained fragmented and lead to infusion in such ways that delays in the process of information sharing results in misunderstandings and slow decision making. It was a pretty hard to collaborate the teams across different departments, which caused misunderstanding about functions or roles and responsibilities. Now, I will give information about the marketing and customer engagement issues. ASOS was also facing serious marketing and customer engagement challenges on the pretext of social media. Traditional means of marketing crippled their reach, especially in the younger generation focus on digital performance. The lack of insight into customers' likes and dislikes in the real time lead to poor response time to market changes and trends. Generic content that was being used frequently used in marketing brought overall engagement down to low levels and failed to strike a chord in the target consumers. Moreover, brand loyalty was difficult to build and maintain in such a competitive. Now, I will give information about the human resource challenges. First one is ASOS had to address a lot of human resource issues that affected the overall effectiveness of the workplace. Recruitment was an extremely slow process, thus reducing the pools from which other talent could be attracted. Overcoming such human resource challenges was quite crucial for ASOS because it aimed at improving the overall organizational performance. And now I will give turn of the my next. Thank you.
Thank you, Khushi, to give it to my turn. My name is Rutvik Vastrapura. My student ID is AZZ5469. Now I am telling about the slide 11, technology discovery and selection. The technology at SOS was discovered and selected through instance and research of emerging social media sites and investigation industry, trend and competitors. Analysis was focused on the other collaboration and marketing tools with a high spot on their analyst engage and features. Key stakeholder within a marketing, HR, and IT task assess this option against the deliverables, and the solution had to be user-friendly and meet employee needs. Now I discuss about second slide, decision process. The technology adoption decision-making process at SOS started with a through needs assessment, identifying the excited and needs the communication and marketing strategies through feedback from the employees and customer based on the data analysis. This was followed by in the depth research and analysis in which SOS studied case studies of the companies that implemented the social media solution successfully, matches features, cost, and accessibility of the different technologies. Now I discuss about marketing transformation with social media. SOS new marketing strategy has considerably and supportable customer interaction by the use of the social networks, applies a variety of online campaigns and through Instagram or Twitter. For example, SOS has encouraged customer to vote, take a part, and constant customer generate content, which make customer intersection and the dynamic. Using insight from the data as a driver, target to marketing, and the strategy have been possible whereby SOS also effectively stretchable and customer based on behavior and prefer. Moreover, with social media, there is a immediate feedback whereby the companies respond to its customers stratify their inquiries on the time and changing marketing strategy to suit their needs. Now I discuss about collaboration tools and implementation. The implementation of collaboration tools in SOS, including the selection of the several users-friendly collaboration platforms such as Slack, Trello, and Microsoft Team, which would seamlessly and integrate with the extended system on the effectiveness in adoption proper. Training session were organized for all employees, support by user guide and extra resource that facilitate self-learning intersect and with current SOS IT infrastructure. Now I discuss about HR transformation with the social media. Social media has also been vital and the transformation journey of the human resource function at SOS. The organization has maximized social networking sites such as LinkedIn to source talented in the requirement activities by using targets and advertising to reach a diverse message. Collaboration first, creating platform where SOS can build its employer brand through authenticate testimonial from employees. SOS has also NTL and online training module using social channel and enable knowledge sharing through internal groups. Now I give it to turn my another group member.
Thank you, fellow mates, for your good information on the further slides. Now we will definitely drive into the implementation process. There are four processes like a project planning, resource allocations, phased rollout, and continuous supports. Generally, objectives were regards to integrating technology as SOS were very clear, and serious implementation planning has started. The latter involved budgeting for technology purchase and training as well as ensuring suffering in IT supports and infrastructures. SOS wanted to minimize business disruption so that the technology introduction was staggered from pilot teams of an organized wide launch. Ongoing support was put in a place once implemented it, including ongoing assistance and troubleshooting. More so, a feedback loop was established for insights that would help in the further enhancements to ensure the technology meets organizational needs. The further slides will be the evaluation of success. In these slides, we will discuss about the key performance indicators, employment feedback, customer engagement, and continuous improvements. Success of the social media transformation was going to be a measure by a key performance indicators that measure the level of engagement across the different social media platforms. Uh, Employee feedbacks through surveys capture satisfaction with the new implemented tools and enhancements in collaboration and communication. Other customers' engagement includes interaction rates and satisfaction scores, measuring perception of the brand through sentiment analysis on social media. It is the evidence-based practice that will continue to drive SOS in strategy towards dynamic needs. The further slides will show you the conclusions, and conclusions will be the summary of key finding, impact on business performance, and continuous adaptations. SOS has so far habitats of strategy implementations of social media, preparing a serious shift in both marketing and HR practices. In sum, the outcomes show an improved recruitment process and higher employee satisfaction, and the customer engagement metrics signals an increase in brand loyalty. While continuing to move forward, SOS will also use emerging technologies to advance the operations of the company and to remain competitive with a dynamic retail environment. It will be able to meet expectations from its employees and customers. The further slides will be like discussion on the recommendations. Here are the few recommendations of further improve SOS on the usage of social media, increase social media training through regular workshops. This will enforce employees to be the best practice and encourage online participations. This will also enhance the data analytical aspects of the company, thus enabling SOS to be a deep into information that can help personalize customer interaction and campaigns. The road of innovation also involves encouraging the culture of trying to new platforms for the development of ideas across departments. Last but not least, SOH needs periodically to renew its technology by informing them about the emerging trends so that the tools at the hand will continue fit and needs of goals of the company. That was our slides. And thank you. This was our presentation. Thank you. This was our short and knowledgeable. Thank you. This was our short and knowledgeable presentation. And we four of them have the equal contribution in this. All the group members have the equal participation in this group presentations, and all of us want to thank you. Thank you. This was our shortly and knowledgeable presentation. And before all of the fellow mates have the equal contribution on this presentation, and we four of them would like to thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Thank you. Hopefully you are enjoying this slide and you understand all the assessment of our the leveraging of the manager. Thank you.